Hi, welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Adventures. Surprisingly enough, out doing a POTA because, as you saw in my last video, I made the go bag for the TS-440. And what better to test that out by doing a twofer? And until recently, twofers hasn't really been a possibility in Norway because there hasn't been any intersecting parks. But as of now, with Park Lima Alpha 2542, the Østfold Coastal Trail, there are several opportunities for twofers, and I've done a couple. There just hasn't been room to film any of those. But I got a plan, and my plan is to do a kilo at Lima Alpha 2542, but activating at a different spot every time. And fall is approaching, so that might be pretty hard. Winter is also coming, so for the next coming months, there's a danger I'll be stuck with doing in-car POTAs, and then I'm stuck at doing the POTAs where I can actually do the activation from a car. But nonetheless, I'm going to try. So, got a couple of contacts in the park already, but today is the day I'm going to start working on the kilo on the park. And my goal is to show you a different place in the park every time, every activation, just so you can see the different aspects of this trail. So first off, Park Lima Alpha 0876, I think it is, and Park Lima Alpha 2542 as a twofer. And the spot where I'm parked, I got the river crossing there, and I'm within activating distance from the river, and the river is part of Lima Alpha 0876. And then I got a coastal trail over to that side, which is Lima Alpha 2542. So I'm where those parks intersect as good as possible in a car, because fall has arrived and it's a little bit of rain, it's a little bit chilly, it's a gray, boring day. So what else to do than do a POTA? So let's set everything up, take a look at the equipment as usual, and we'll start calling CQs. Today's rig is the TS-440 here, just on the on a hard case on the passenger side of the car. And if we move outside here now, today's antenna is a 17-foot whip as usual here. And this usually works pretty well for me. So let's call some CQs to see what happens. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Lima Bravo 0 Fox India, calling CQ Parks on the air. Calling CQ Parks on the air, calling CQ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0 Fox India, calling CQ Parks on the air. This is a twofer, Parks Lima Alpha 2542 and Park Lima Alpha 0876. A twofer for Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India, calling CQ Parks on the air. Golf 0 Romeo Quebec Lima. Good morning, or I guess it's almost afternoon in England as well. 5-9 today, Don. 5-9 QSL.
Yeah, QSL Martin. Very good day, you mate. And yeah, we just, quarter of an hour to go. We're still in British summertime, and another quarter of an hour we'll be into the afternoon. But anyway, it's a good day here at any rate. And thanks for the 5-9. Yeah, 5 and 9 also. And for the club call, which is Mike 0, Oscar Mike Charlie, 5 and 9 also, Morton, Roger.
Roger, thank you for the 2 5 and 9s there, Don. Great start now. So thank you for hunting 7-3.
Hey, 7-3, and have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India.
2 Whiskey 0, Yankee Sugar Whiskey Mobile.
Let's see, 2 Whiskey 0 Yankee Sugar something mobile. Come again, please. QSL, and I thought you said mobile. Is that QSL?
QSL, it's 2 Whiskey 0, Yankee Sugar Whiskey Mobile. You want a 4x5.
Thank you for the 4x5. You are 5x3, 53. But happy to have you in the log. Thank you for hunting 7-3.
Thank you very much. I'm running just 5 watts to a whip.
Oh, 5 watts. That's impressive. Impressive, really impressive. Thank you for hunting again 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India.
Mike India 6, India Norway Bravo calling.
Mike India 6, India, Norway, Bravo, 5 and 9, QSL.
Yes, QSO, very good afternoon to you from Northern Ireland, UK. Your signal report is 5 and 10. 5 and 10 into Northern Ireland, UK this morning, over.
Thank you, thank you. Always good to have such a good signal report into Northern Ireland. Running 100 watts today, so a little bit more power than usual. Thank you for hunting, 7-3.
Okay, 73.
QRZ, this is Lima, Bravo 0, Fox India.
Mike India 3, Delta November Kilo.
Mike India 3, Delta November Kilo, QSL.
Yeah, good morning, good afternoon. Call sign this side, Mike India 3, Delta November Kilo. The operator is Mike. Mike India Kilo Echo, and the QTH is Korean and Northern Ireland. QRZ. Delta Golf 8, Sugar.
Delta Golf 8, Sugar Fox, QSL.
Yeah, you've had a name here in with you from Lima Mike. It's the QTH from Headless Thomas Tango Hotel Oscar Mike Alpha Sierra.
QSL, Thomas, you are also 5 and 9, 5 and 9 here in Norway at this twofer, doing 2 parks at once today, over. Echo Alpha 1, Delta Hotel Bravo, 5 and 9, QSL.
Mike 7, Tango Alpha Sierra.
Mike 7, Tango Alpha Sierra, QSL. Mike 7, Tango Alpha Sierra.
7 into Southwest of England, over.
Yeah, Roger. You are 5 and 9 into Norway with a bit of QRM here, but perfectly readable in the clear. Thank you for hunting, 7-3.
Roger 73, stay safe.
Mike 0, Victor Tango Charlie, 5 and 9, QSL.
QSL, thank you very much. You're also 5 and 9.
Thank you for the 5 and 9. Seems to have a pipeline into the UK today. Almost all stations I've logged are UK stations, but I'm happy with that. Over.
That's great. Yeah, well, have a good day, and thank you for your activation. All the best, 73.
73, thank you for hunting. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima, Bravo 0, Fox India. United Tango 5, United something. Come again, please. United Tango 5, United Bravo. Is that QSL? All other stations, please hold. I'll get to you one after one. United Tango 5, United Bravo, 5 and 9, QSL. Romeo Bravo, sorry about that. Still 5 and 9 there, over. Thank you, 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0, Fox India. Okay, Oscar Echo Station first, please.
Oscar Echo 9, Texas, Brazil, Italia. Oscar Echo 9, Tango, Bravo, India, POTA,
QSL, Oscar Echo 9, Tango Bravo, India, Portable. You are 5x4, 54, QSL.
QSL, 5x4. Your signal report is 57,
Roger. Thank you for the 5-7 into Austria, and thank you for hunting Parks on the air, 7-3. Echo Alpha 1, Bravo, United, Lima. About a 5 and 5 today, QSL.
Okay, thank you for 5x5. I'm 5 and 59, 44.
Thank you for the 5 and 9, 7-3, 44. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima, Bravo 0, Fox India.
Mike 0, 2 Whiskey 0, India, Mike X-Ray Mobile.
Okay, the Mike 0 station first, please.
Thank you. Mike 0, Kilo Papa Whiskey.
Mike 0, Kilo Papa Whiskey, 5 and 9, QSL.
QSL, thank you for the 5-9. I've got you 5555, and can I just get you to confirm your call sign, please?
Roger. Call sign is Lima, Bravo 0, Foxtrot, India, QSL.
Yeah, QSL. I wasn't sure if I had it right. Thank you very much. You came up to 588 on that last over, so good to copy you. 7-3, good luck.
7-3s, and I thought I heard 2 whiskey station in there, QSL.
2 Whiskey 0, India, Mike X-Ray Mobile, Roger.
2 Whiskey 0, India Mike X-Ray Mobile, Roger. You are 5 and 9, QSL.
Roger that. You're also 5 and 9. The name's Pete, and I'm in North Wales in the UK, Roger.
Roger. Thank you. I seem to have a pipeline into the UK today. I think about 70% of my stations today are UK stations, but that's good fun. Thank you for hunting, 7-3.
Thank you, 7-3. Good luck.
QSL, Hotel Echo, no, sorry, Oscar Echo 3, Hotel Oscar India, portable, park to park. Come again, please.
Roger. Thank you for coming back. Your signal is 5 and 7. And my location here is Oscar Echo 0036.
QSL, Oscar Echo 0036, and I'm doing 2 parks today. I'm doing a twofer. Park Lima Alpha 2542 and Park Lima Alpha 0876. QSL. Lima Alpha 0876. QSL.
Thank you. Good luck. Bye-bye.
Thank you, and enjoy your activation. Thank you. Bye-bye. 73. QRZ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0, Fox India.
Whiskey Alpha 1, Tango Oscar Mike.
Whiskey Alpha 1, Tango X something Mike. QSL.
All right, I have you 3-3 into Mike Alpha, Massachusetts, 3-3.
QSL, but I need your suffix. I didn't get your complete suffix, please. Whiskey Alpha 1 station, your complete suffix, please. Whiskey Alpha 1, could I get your suffix, please? Whiskey Alpha 1, your suffix, please.
It's Whiskey Alpha 1, Tango Oscar Mike.
Tango Oscar Mike, thank you. You are 5 and 6, 56 into Norway. QSL.
All right, lots of QRM here. I'm really having a tough time pulling you out, but I have you 3-3 into Massachusetts.
Roger. Thank you for the 3-3 in Massachusetts. Thank you for hunting 7-3.
2 Echo 0, November, Juliet Kilo. All right, well, thanks for answering
73, the 2 Echo 0 station. Coming on, please.
Number 2, Echo 0, and November, Juliet Kilo. Good afternoon, Morton. First time I've heard you on the air. Been watching your videos for a while. Hope you're having a good time.
Yeah, thank you there, Nick. Thank you. You're 5 and 9 today here, and thanks for watching my videos. You'll be in YouTube on this one. Over.
Excellent stuff. No problem at all. Hope you're having a good time. And 73. Oh, you're 5-9, by the way. Terrible. I should give you a report. You're 5 and 9, 59. A little bit of QFB, but a good signal this afternoon, Morton. 7-3 from now, and have a good time out there.
7-3. Thank you. Wow, that was an unexpected activation. Managed 27 in the log, anywhere from the UK. I seem to have a pipeline into the UK today. Managed, I guess, about half of the QSOs into the UK. And then, always, as I've said before, one wild card. And today's wild card was Maine, USA. So, happy with that. Happy with the activation all in all. I mean, the TS-440 seems to be a really good POTA rig. And speaking about POTA, as I said in the introduction, I'm doing a kilo, or planning to do a kilo at 2542, Lima Alpha 2542. And this is my first location. I can promise you that my next location from that park will not be here, at least not on video. So I'm going to try to show you how different things can look within the coastal trail here. There are some areas just running through the harbor and town here, some areas through woodlands, some running through other parks where you've seen me before. So looking forward to that kilo. I guess that's it for now. Please remember to click that thumbs up button. That'll help me with the YouTube algorithm. And also, just going to see if there are any cars here first, then cross the road. Also, consider leaving a comment down below. I love comments. I love reading them. I love pretty much anything about the comments, even though I might disagree with you. I'm happy with that. And there are some more information down below if you want to take a look at that. Also, I got one antenna left of my LB0 Fox India link dipole kit, and that'll be the last for now. I'm working on a revision of that, but as of now, I can't really get the cost down to a point where is reasonable to make them. But that's it for now, guys. Until next time, 7-3.